Welcome again to yet another episode of Foods 254. I'm your host and nutritionist Stella. Please, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly feel free to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. For our new viewers, Foods 254 is a platform where we explore foods of Kenya with keen interest to their nutritional value. Joining me today is an amazing lady called Irene. She calls herself a food lover and enjoys trying out new recipes. So this lady is very passionate about what she does, and that's what makes her stand out. Welcome to the show, Irene. And Irene just had to bring the Calais in her in my show. Irene, welcome to the show. I didn't see that coming. What? I think I should have introduced like this when I'm running also. No. Anyway, so guys, this is Irene.
Yes.
Are you a chef?
I'm a student.
Okay. You're still in school.
I'm doing diploma in food and beverage.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
At ICS college.
Wow.
Nyumbani kila mtu alikuwa lazima afanye kazi.
Yeah.
Like cooking. So I grew up doing it.
Okay.
Sasa ikanifanya nikaipenda. Yeah.
And I love your presentations.
Thank you so
I've
much.
been following you, and trust me, I'm your big fan.
Thank you.
I love what you do.
Thank you so much.
So what are you going to prepare for us today?
So today I'm going to prepare scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs?
Yeah, scrambled eggs.
In a different style?
In my own
in your
style.
own way.
Yeah, in
the
my
Irene's
own
way.
Yes.
The Agaze way.
Yes.
Okay, so what are our ingredients?
Our ingredients, first we are going to use the eggs.
This is kienyeji
Eggs.
The organic.
Pure. Yeah.
Okay.
Pure. We have onions.
Okay.
Tomatoes. Hohos, the yellow and the green one. Dania.
Okay, coriander and the Sukuma Wiki.
Yeah, Sukuma Wiki, we are going to check it with the eggs.
So what's the first step that you're supposed to do?
First, I'm going to whisk my eggs.
Okay.
Tunaichanganya kabisa.
Ishikane.
Yeah, chumvi.
Ishikane kabisa. So what do you love doing when you're free, apart from cooking? Because you post every day, Irene. Irene hata kama ameboil maji, hata kama alikuwa tu anakata whatever, she will post it. I mean, that's how passionate she is about her work, you know. So apart from that, is there any other thing that you do when you're free? Maybe sports? Okay, I'm kidding. Maybe sports or whatever.
No, I just love kitchen.
Kitchen only.
Naweza kaa kitchen kutoka asubuhi na siwezi nikachoka. So I just love cooking.
You just love
This
cooking.
is my thing.
That's your thing?
Yeah.
Wow.
So, wacha tuanze kupika mayai yetu.
Okay.
Tunaweka mafuta kidogo. We hit little.
Okay.
Hii meal inapendwa sana na bachelors.
Na mabachelors Mabachelors mnasikia, unaleta kamrembo unamwekea, unamwambia babes ulete mayai. That's their thing.
So I'm going
Ugali,
to show them
Sukuma.
vile wataitengeneza in a
Okay.
very unique way. Yeah.
I can't wait.
So tuna hit mafuta
oil.
yetu kwanza kiasi.
Okay.
Alafu tuweke kisha hit tunaweka
Onions. Okay.
So our oil is ready. Tunaweka sasa vitunguu.
Okay. Utachomeka.
Utachomeka. Sasa vitunguu yetu hatutaivisha sana.
Haitakuwa brown.
Haitakuwa brown.
Okay. That's your style.
That's
the
my
Irene style.
Yes. Alafu tunaweka nyanya. We mix everything together.
Oh, mix everything together. Wow, this is easy.
Yeah, it's easy for the bachelors. Ndo waharakishe wapige story na
be.
Sijui.
Most people ask you on social media, are you single? Are you single?
Single aje sasa?
I read.
Do I look single?
No, wewe unapopo taken. You know, okay, really. There's a post sijui kama ni mzungu. Kuna mzungu amekuwa akitrend.
As I told you, tuna mix kila kitu pamoja.
Okay, let's mix. Irene, pole. We are sorry. Okay, so we mix everything together.
We mix everything together.
I love the color. Looks really nice.
Unajua wakati unapika, unafaa ukule na macho kwanza kabla
ukule sasa kwa mdomo.
Kwa mdomo.
Irene, unanilapa. Naongelelea about mzungu mwingine lakini ni kama utaki tumtaje.
Sina mzungu. Sina mzungu. Siniharibie market.
Hana, tuna joke. Hiyo tuta edit. Unajua wazungu wanapenda sana wakale.
Sina mzungu, I still insist sina mzungu.
Sawa.
So kama una will,
she's free, uko free.
Niko free.
Okay. Anyway, so we cook this for like how
long? No, we mix everything together including
you don't wait
the
for
eggs.
The tomatoes to cook.
Yeah. Itaiva tu wakati mayai yetu inaendelea kuiva.
Okay. Irene unanibamba. I didn't know you're this funny by the way. You know the unakanga mpole.
Ukisha mix everything together hivi. So mnaona venye iko very simple.
Very simple.
Unaziweka kila kitu pamoja ndani ya sufuria. Yes. Sasa ukimix you come and ukoroga with the mwiko or the spoon kama una mwiko. Unajua bachelors most ya wananga hizi.
Lakini sisi ukiweka spoon kwa hii yetu hii unatuharibia. So nitawaambia hao mabachelors wanunue mwiko ile ya kina Utomo. Utomo si bachelor na nini? Yaza wani. Inaanza na D.
Ni bachelor.
Sana anajiweka hivyo hapa.
So with our eggs, tuna mix kabisa hadi nyanya yetu ive.
Okay.
You ensure nyanya kabisa imeiva hapa ndani.
Okay.
Hadi ikwe dry.
So today we decided to just do a very simple meal. Scrambled eggs. Nimekuwa mgale. Scrambled eggs.
Nimekuwa mkiza.
No. Sukuma wiki and just ugali. A very simple meal that is affordable. You can find the ingredients anywhere. You don't have to hustle them. And then I like the way you're doing it. So natural.
Yes.
You don't use
I
a
don't
lot
spice
of,
it.
You're not exaggerating it. You're making their work actually easy.
Yes,
yeah.
Sitaki wa struggle sana.
So was our eggs inaiva?
So wakati mayai yetu inaendelea kuiva, si tukarange
sukuma. So for sukuma, what are you going to use? What are the ingredients for sukuma?
Sukuma ni chumvi tu na mafuta. Because kila kitu
iko hapo.
Iko kwa mayai. Sasa haja gani tuweke kwa sukuma?
Haja gani?
It will cost you.
Yeah, true. And dania tuteka hapo when
dania tuteka hapa wakati imeiva.
Okay. Wow. This is so easy.
Yeah,
so
very easy. Weka mafuta kiasi.
Yaani kiasi?
Tunapingana kwa macho. Unajua nangojea my ancestors niambie enough my daughter, enough. So don't worry. Wakati unaona naweka communicating with my ancestors. Na wakati una task usisahau wenye ulikuwa umeanzia. Hii mayai yetu inahitaji kabisa kuna mix kabisa.
I can help you mix as you
as I do mine.
Yeah, as you do this other
sukuma.
Hadi nyanya ive kabisa.
Yeah, nyanya ive kabisa.
Niulize swali.
Uliza.
Mimi nataka uniulize.
Nikuulize.
Si ngumu. Swali yoyote yenye umekuwa ukitaka kuniuliza. Kai. Sio.
So,
okay.
Mafuta yetu ya sukuma. Yeah.
Hi, Irene.
So you can run.
I love cooking, but
sasa for sukuma, tuna steam tu for some few minutes.
Okay.
We are not going to overcook.
Okay.
We are not going to cover. We want to retain the green color.
Okay.
Now, I think our eggs are ready.
Our eggs are ready. Dania?
Yeah, dania tunaweka after tume switch off plate. Tuna switch off.
Yeah, iko sawa.
Na tunaweka. Weka.
Yote. Ama unapima na macho? Hey. This is like a handful of dania.
Tosha.
It's so easy, man. So if we were making
ina favor bachelors sana. Haina struggle. Mbona uniulizi na sema mabachelors sana?
Na unasema mabachelors sana.
At least mmoja aone. Aone.
Kazi ya Irene, jamani bachelors.
How
will you appreciate us? Not us. Appreciate Irene. This is good work. I mean, why should you be a bachelor for all that long? Yo, style up, bana. This is
time imefika.
Okay.
Your dream
imekuja true. This is the time.
This is not the time. This is the dream. Your dream has come true.
Nice.
I'll sing a letter chakula meal ya bachelor supper. I knew what you
were doing. So this is like a trap.
It's not a trap. Sasa wewe umeichukulia vibaya tena. So tunaenda kukula mayai yetu na sukuma na ugali. I think avocado. I'm just going to show them how to cut it.
Or the different ways of how you can cut your avocado. Yeah. These days, avocado has become an incredibly popular food among Kenyans, you know. It's so popular, and it's quite a unique fruit, and numerous studies show that it has powerful health benefits. Potassium is an important mineral that most people don't get enough of. And avocados are very high in potassium, which should support healthy, blood pressure levels and many other benefits. So I also love avocado. I think I can eat avocado like every day. There's no harm in eating avocado every day.
Yeah.
Fat yake iko. It's natural, and it haiwezi kufanya gain weight. The way people say avocado can make you gain weight.
Haiwezi. Ningekuwa nimeona because I eat every day.
Hebu unafanya na ujanaona uko sawa.
Presentation matters most. Unajua unaweza pika chakula tamu hivi, alafu the way you present it
tu
inafanya mtu ana lose appetite. Yeah. So you have to present your food.
The guy mwenye atakupata Irene ataangukia, sikudanganyi. Kama ni hivyo utakuwa na
hauna brother?
Wako.
Nitoe kitu kidogo ufanye connection.
Hata wajua wamesikia. Wana smell tu. Wow, I love this presentation.
Yeah, the way you present your food
really matters.
You cut it into 2 halves.
Okay. Inakaa ile blue band.
Yeah, this one looks the best. Na inakaa kadogo, but hizi inahitaji patient, by the way. That's why mtu anakuambianga sina hiyo time, mimi naanza kukula.
Mimi nifanye hizo decorations.
But ukidecorate food yako, una feel which one is the biggest hotel in Kenya? Una feel uko hapo. Unajipeleka tu.
Exactly.
Kwa mafikira unaenda. So sometimes mimi nikipiga yangu nitengeneze hivi. Natoka nje. Najiambia naenda.
Serious?
Nakuuliza Hilton ama which one?
I think Hilton.
Today Hilton. Nachipeleka Hilton.
So unatengeneza alafu natoka nje. Alafu narudi.
Nachipeleka Hilton.
Okay.
Sasa that's after nimepiga picha nimewapostia mkule kwa majo. Sasa kwa ground sasa naenda Hilton.
Do you put on other clothes? Unavaa something else because now you're going to Hilton. Una change pia nguo ama?
It's me inachipeleka Hilton, so naenda tu vile nataka. Sio lazima ni look smart. I'm just taking myself. I'm going to use my money. Kimawazo, by the way. So after slicing, unatumia tu mkono yako kuislidisha tu pole pole hivi. Hapo sasa unaiunda pattern.
Oh, okay.
See?
So
this is my meal.
Okay. This is your meal. This is great. And I know you do a lot. It's not just this. Today you just wanted to show us a simple meal that anyone can prepare at the comfort of their place.
Yes.
So if people want to find you, how can they find you?
They can find me through Facebook. Mimi najiita Irene Cheptabore Take.
Are you on Instagram?
Na namba?
Namba tutaweka hapo chini. Unaona hapo kwa description box.
Hapana.
Steka hapo.
Mafisi watafisia sana.
Anyway, your number to
so Instagram najita Jeptap Oretage, Twitter Jeptap Oretage.
Wow. Anything you would want to tell the viewers? Kitu yoyote tu ungependa kuambia sasa, maybe kuwa encourage anything.
Sasa ndawaambia nini? Okay. Chenye mimi naweza waambia, if you love doing something, do it with all your heart. Chitoe tu na uifanye. The results will make you happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Give it your all.
Yes.
Kama kuna hiyo passion, kama passion yako ni ya kukimbia ama kupika, whatever, give it your all.
Yeah.
And after a long day at work, heading home to cook a complicated meal is the last thing anyone wants to do. I know you all loved today's recipe, and just leave a comment at the comment section if you enjoyed it or if you have any question. Do you want to say anything again? Ama ni bye bye too.
Bye.
So ambiwa subscribe again. Maybe wewe
watanisikia.
Ambiwa subscribe.
Oh my. Please subscribe
to Foods.
Just imagine mtu usipo subscribe. Ungejuaje venye naunda scrambled eggs? Look at the avocado.
Imagine subscribe.
Ungejuaje subscribe?
Please subscribe to Foods 254. Tuko kwa social media platforms Foods 254, and if you want to advertise your product on our show, just feel free, holla at me and we're gonna do that. So bye bye and see you.
I love you guys.
We love you. Sasa ni time ya kufeast.